Hi, Ivana here. Welcome to the last section of the Creative Path model. This section is building a portfolio, a guide to crafting a portfolio that represents your artistic identity. The content will be, we will have 3 lessons and some final thoughts. So lesson 1, defining your digital portfolio's purpose and audience. Lesson 2, types of portfolios, editing your work. Lesson 3, formatting and share your portfolio. And final thoughts, turn excuses into action. In this section, you will learn how to curate the best and most authentic work, format your portfolio for clear professional presentation, adapt it for opportunities like residencies, exhibitions, or job applications, and present yourself confidently as an artist. So let's get started. Lesson 1. Defining your digital portfolio's purpose and audience. The objective: understand the importance of a digital portfolio and begin planning yours by focusing on who you want to reach with your work and designing the experience you want them to have when viewing it. So, the content overview: a digital portfolio is a curated showcase of your work that tells your story as an artist. It's more than a display, it's a tool to connect with your ideal audience and open doors to opportunities. Key questions to guide your portfolio. If you want, you can stop the video, answer the questions as you like. Okay, write your answers down and use them as a roadmap for your portfolio to guide your decisions along the way. Take your time. Who is your ideal audience? Think about who you want to reach with your portfolio. Are you hoping to connect with curators, galleries, potential collaborators, or clients? Consider who would be the most interested in your work and how you can shape your portfolio to speak directly to them. Being specific will help you guide your decisions as you build it. What do you want your audience to feel or understand? When someone looks at your portfolio, what kind of experience do you want them to have? Should they feel inspired, understand your creative process, or connect with your story? Think about the emotions or ideas you want to leave with them, and how the layout or structure of your portfolio can support that. What do you want them to do after seeing your portfolio? Think about the next step you would like your viewer to take. Do you want them to contact you for a project, invite you to exhibit, follow your work online, or something else? Be clear about the action you are hoping for. This will help you design your portfolio in a way that gently leads them there. How does your portfolio support your professional goals? Take a moment to reflect on what you are aiming for, both short and long term. Is this portfolio helping you apply for residencies, land commissions, build your network? Defining your goals now will make it easier to stay focused and consistent as you build. And last question, how can you adapt your portfolio while keeping it consistent? Will you tweak it for residencies, exhibitions, or job applications? Consider what core content can maintain constant while adjusting other parts to highlight relevant work or projects based on the opportunity. This way, you can maintain consistency while ensuring your portfolio feels tailored to each specific audience. Okay, and to end lesson 1, I added some key portfolio principles to keep in mind. So, we have first, quality over quantity. Focus on showcasing your best, most relevant work. Consistency. Make sure your portfolio has a coherent visual language that tells your story. Clarity. Keep your layout simple, easy to navigate, and ensure your contact information is clear. And presentation. High quality images and proper formatting are essential. And yeah, end of lesson 1. Thank you. Okay, let's continue with lesson 2, types of portfolios and editing your work. In this lesson, you will learn about different types of portfolios and the power of curating your work. And I listed here some portfolio types for artists. Not all portfolios are the same. Depending on the opportunity or audience or kind of art you develop, you will need different versions of your portfolio. Here I listed 5, and now we are going to look more in detail into each of them. Residencies and grants. This kind of portfolios focus on your process, experimentation, and personal vision. These portfolios should showcase your artistic journey and willingness to explore new ideas. Job applications. This kind of portfolio highlight your skills and professional experience. This portfolio should demonstrate your ability to meet the requirements of a specific role while showing how your artistic talents align with the job. Portfolio for exhibitions. This kind of portfolio should be focused on showcasing the most refined and conceptually strong works. This type of portfolio tells the story of your artistic journey and highlights your ability to create thoughtful, impactful pieces. A portfolio to find freelance clients should be direct and visually engaging. Show projects that are visually strong and represent the services you offer, with an emphasis on what potential clients can expect from working with you. And the last type of portfolio is a portfolio to showcase personal projects, self-driven work that reflects your creative interest and ambitions. This portfolio could be a place to express your vision without external constraints, focusing on the work that excites you the most. Second part of Lesson 2. How to edit your work. Set aside time to collect your most relevant pieces. Create a comfortable, inspiring environment for editing. Lay everything out, physically or digitally, to see the full scope of your practice. This helps you reflect, spot patterns, and make intentional choices that best represent your artistic identity. Don't rush. The process is part of the creative journey. First, gather your work. Collect all relevant works, old and new, processes. Keep the answers from Lesson 1 close to you for your guidance. Step 2. Lay it out. Display everything physically or digitally. Use printout, thumbnails, or slideshows, whatever feels good depending on the kind of work you do. Aim to see the full scope of your practice. The idea is to have it all in front of us. That is the most interesting part of this. Okay, step 3. Analyze your work. Look for themes, techniques, materials, colors, concepts, notice patterns, and what excites you. Identify what truly represents your artistic identity. Also, in this step, I would say once you get to have everything laid out in front of you, like give it some rest, come and go to this analyze phase, and also ask someone else, like ask for help or for other opinions. Is very helpful. Step 4. Start editing. Select works that aligns with your goals. Prioritize quality over quantity. 3 to 6 strong projects is really great. And then ask, do they need context? Are the images high quality? Would a video or description help? Take notes on your choices and ideas. Step 5. 2 more and we are finished. Step 5 is refine the order. Create a strong narrative flow. Think. One project per page or group it. Keep it clear, intentional, and focused. Step 6. Ask for feedback. Share with a peer or a mentor. Use inputs to refine your portfolio. Step 7 and last step of this process. Plan for finalizing. Check what's missing, images, descriptions, dates. Make a to-do list before formatting your final version and put a date. Okay, now some time for reflections. Take a moment to consider how your portfolio tells the story of your artistic practice. Does it reflect your creative journey? Think about how each piece contributes to your evolution as an artist. Is your portfolio focused on the work that excites you most? Are you showcasing the projects that align with your current vision and aspirations for the future? What does your selection says about you as an artist? Does it highlight your core strength and the areas where you feel most connected? Reflect on the editing process itself. How did the process of curating your work challenge you? Did you find any unexpected insights about your style, techniques, or themes? How can the choices you are making now shape your journey, your creative journey down the line? What's something you have started that you would like to keep on growing? And how can you keep moving forward while keeping your bigger goals in sight? Okay, this is the end of lesson 2. Lesson 3. Formatting and sharing your portfolio. In this lesson, you will learn how to structure, format, and present your portfolio for easy sharing. Okay, some best practices for formatting your portfolio. I would recommend a horizontal format. Since portfolios are often viewed on screens, use a horizontal format for better visual space and overall experience. PDF format. They are easy to email or share via platforms like WeTransfer or Google Drive. You can tailor versions for specific receipts without making your work public. An online portfolio, platforms like Behance or a personal website offer professional presentation and allows easy updates. No scattered files. Keep everything in a single document or structured online page for easy navigation and access. Include your contact information. Ensure your name, email, and relevant links like websites, social media, whatever you think is relevant to include, are clearly visible. High-quality photos. Focus on lighting, angles, and resolution to present your work professionally, whether you hire a pro or refine your own skills. Collaborate for fresh perspectives. Partner with a photographer, videographer, or designer to elevate your portfolio's quality and presentation. Consistency in presentation. Maintain a clean, organized grid layout to ensure your portfolio flows naturally and is easy to navigate. Process documentation. Show the process behind the physical work, such as images of your workspace, sketches, or videos of the creation process to deepen the audience connection to your work. Scale and perspective. For physical works like sculptures or installation, include scale references, for example, a person next to the piece, to help viewers understand the size and physicality. Interactive or installation work. Include photos or videos of the work in context, showing how it interacts with its environment and changes from different angles. Now, time to put all this in practice. Get your portfolio ready for action. First, choose your format. Decide whether you want your portfolio in PDF format or an online platform like Behance or on your own website. If you are uncertain, begin with a PDF version that you can easily adapt for different opportunities. Use a tool you are familiar with, whether it is InDesign, Canva, PowerPoint, or any other software. The important thing is to choose a format that fits your style and allows for easy updates. Second step, find a specific opportunity or set your own goal. Look for a call for artists, residency, or another opportunity that aligns with your goals and interests. If you don't have a specific opportunity yet, set a goal for the type of opportunity you would like to pursue. For example, a group exhibition, a solo show, freelance work, etc. Okay, third step, review the requirements. Carefully check the submission guidelines for each opportunity. This includes formats, number of works, deadlines, and additional documentation may be needed, such as a bio or artist statements. Step number 4. Structure your portfolio. Organize your work into a clean, organized grid layout. Ensure your images are high quality, consistent inside, and properly aligned. If using an online platform, make sure the navigation is smooth between sections. Add essential information. Ensure your name, email, and relevant links are visible in your portfolio. This makes it easier for potential clients or collaborators to contact you. Step 6. Select and edit your work. Choose the pieces that best represent you and your practice. Use the editing tips you have learned to refine the practice of each piece. Make sure you are showcasing your strongest works. Step 7. Write or update your bio. Consider including a short bio. This should be a brief and compelling introduction to who you are as an artist, highlighting your practice and any notable exhibition projects or achievements. And here I included an example for a bio, so you can use it as a base to write down your own bio. For example, I'm an artist specializing in illustration and visual design, based in Zagreb, focusing on exploring themes of nature and woman through wash and digital art. My work has been exhibited in blah blah blah. You can write down the most relevant exhibitions or shows and has been part of. I'm currently exploring projects or concepts you are working on, and I'm passionate about blah blah blah. So here you have something to start. Step 8. Prove your work. Review your portfolio for consistency in formatting, fonts, sizes, image resolutions, margins, etc. And double check for any spelling or grammar mistakes in your bio or descriptions. So, step 9, and we are almost finished here. Test your portfolio. Before sharing your portfolio, send it to a friend or mentor or accountability partner for feedback. Does it present your work professionally? Is everything easy to navigate and clearly presented? And the last step, share your portfolio. Once you are happy with your portfolio or not, but remember that done is better than perfect, share it with potential clients, collaborators, or use it for your applications. Whatever online or as a PDF, make sure you present your work confidently. And a last tip, if you apply for multiple opportunities, keep a base version of your portfolio ready. This way you can easily adjust and tailor it for each specific goal without having to start from scratch each time. And end of lesson 3. Great! And now, to finish this section, I really wanted to include some final thoughts to turn excuses into actions. No clients, no clear opportunities. Please, please, please create your own. Use your portfolio to reach out to potential clients, collaborators, or venues. You can even organize your own online exhibition or showcase your work on platforms like Behance or your own website. No exciting projects? Create your own. Start a personal project, a passion project, or collaborate with other creatives. Your portfolio should evolve alongside your creativity. Feel like your portfolio is missing something? Create your own narrative. Tell the story of your work, showcasing your artistic journey and growth. Feeling too busy to update your portfolio? Create your own time. Even small updates will make a huge difference. Keep refining and you will feel more confident sharing it. Afraid to put your work out there? Create your own confidence. Keep sharing your portfolio, and every step will bring you closer to showcasing your best self. You have the creativity, the drive, and the tools. Trust your creative intuition. Can't wait to see your portfolio. Please upload the most recent version so that we can all appreciate and learn from each other's work. End of the module. Yay!